First tonight, the Minnesota Department of Health and the Department of Education released its 2022 student survey, and it shows more students are struggling with mental health than previous years. More than 135,000 students across the state took part in this survey, which is done every 3 years. This year's survey shows 29% of students reported long-term mental health problems compared to 23% in 2019 and 18% in 2016. KIMT News 3's Alec Lasham spoke with Rochester State Senator Liz Bolden about this survey. And Alec, what is the mental health outlook among kids in Olmsted County?
Well, Tyler, data from the survey shows students in Rochester and Olmsted County is following the statewide trend of students that are struggling with their mental health. 700 students that are in 11th grade at RPS responded to the survey that asked if they have long-term mental health, behavioral, or emotional problems. 48% of girls and 18% of boys said yes. In a county-wide survey, more than 1,030 students, 11th grade students that is, were asked the same question. Again, a higher portion of girls said they are struggling, with 45% responding yes, as well as 19% of boys. The report is not going unnoticed by lawmakers. Rochester State Senator Liz Bolden, who will be serving on multiple committees, including the Education Policy Committee, says the lack of mental health resources for students is a critical issue. She says it's the legislature's job to ensure students have access to mental health support.
Just last week, I had a really good conversation with some mental health care providers in our local community here, and they talked about, just not having enough, staffing, not having enough resources, not having, students not having access, insurance coverage. It's all of those pieces. There are a lot of barriers for kids to get the mental health care that they need. And so, I think part of our role in the legislature is to do everything we can to remove those barriers.
And mental health is among the many items RPS is requesting state dollars for to help address staffing as well as services within schools. Tyler.
All right, Alec, thank you very much.